Let me be real with you. A lot of people come to America thinking that working hard will make them rich. But that's not always true. If you don't work smart, this country will break you. Working 2 jobs just to pay the bills is not the dream. That's not living. That's surviving. You didn't leave your home, your family, and everything that you know to just barely get by. So what do? Simple. Get a skill. If you already have one, try to get it certified. If you don't, start learning one. You can become a CNA, electrician, CDL driver, dental assistant, anything that helps you make more money for your time. If you can go back to school or college, do it, no matter your age. Education opens doors. But if you don't even have a high school diploma or GED, don't give up. Go to the one-stop career center in your city. They can help you get your GED and offer free programs that lead to real jobs. Don't ignore this free help. It's out here. You just have to want it bad enough to go get it. Once you start working, open a retirement savings account. Even if your job gives you a 401k, add your own money too. A Roth IRA is a good option. Start small. Add 2% of each paycheck. It adds up. Your future self will be glad you did. Here is something important. Your paycheck is not enough. Even if you make $70,000 a year or $17 an hour, you need to learn how to invest. Buy stocks, buy property, start a small business, make your money work while you sleep. That's called passive income. Money that comes in without you working all day. That's how rich people stay rich. If you have a business idea, build it so it can run without you all the time. You don't need to be super smart. You don't need rich parents, but you need to have a different mindset. Stop thinking like a worker. Start thinking like a builder. So learn the rules. Be smart. Help others and never stop believing in yourself. I'm saying this with love. Don't just survive in America. Thrive. My goal in America is to build a wall of money around my family so strong that nothing can break through it.